So this is the 12 cup coffee maker. I will show you a couple things. So it's just a standard, what's in there? Standard, you put your water in here, pour your water in here. It comes with a, excuse me, a permanent or filter instead of paper filters if you want to use this, or paper filters you could use. There's kind of a lock, clip lock for the top, and it snaps in. The buttons are really easy to set the time. You don't have to have one that's hour and then you gotta wait for the minutes. The hours are right there. You just change them, and then the minutes right on there. It's not just one button, it's two, one for each side. Setting up the program for the morning, same way. 4 o'clock in the morning, 5 o'clock. That's not the morning. Program goes, set it up, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, however you need to do it, and then a half an hour, and it just went back. So now, turn it off. So then the next time you use it, it'll be at the program you set it, or you can set it different. Also, there's a cleaning button, each of there, and the Brew strength button, strong or regular, and turn it off. With the canter, it's 12 cut, but it has a nice pour spout, so you don't get a lot of drip from it. So, also, I found this to be a very compact coffee maker in the height. This is just a standard toaster here, and it's not much taller than a toaster, so it's a lower profile, so which is really nice if you're trying to conserve space. It's a nice compact one. Yeah, I like it.
We really like this coffee pot. You can set it up really nice. It's easy control. It's 12 cups, which I love. The light comes on when you clean it, comes on green, and so does your hour, your program, and your strong. They all come on. But what I hold against it is we only bought it in September. Here's on. You can see the on button go here. This used to light up blue. We knew it was on. Burn out right away. So it doesn't work. So there's on, there's off. The other thing you may not like about this coffee pot is the carafe on it spills. Sorry, I turned it on. It's already set up for tomorrow. Anyway, other than the light not being on and it spilling off the carafe when you pour coffee onto your counter, it's a very nice coffee maker. Because of the light, though, I am going to only rate it a 3 and the spilling of coffee when the pot is full. Thank you.
This product, I bought it in July. I barely opened it today, August 1st. And something's wrong right here at the top. It's popping out when it shouldn't. And it's brand new. So not too happy. I can't get it to go down the way it should. Don't know why. And because I waited so long to open my package because I was moving, it's too late to return it. Very bummed.
So this stopped working. It just won't do anything. On, off. It has coffee and water and regular usage, and it just stopped working. So do not buy. Piece of crap. Item came in less than 30 minutes ago. Does not even turn on at all. Super cheap. Not worth the price, let me tell you.
Who is Taylor Swift? I tried to Google it, and this looks like an influencer, gold medalist, turned